Hello and welcome to Smart Home Things, a channel dedicated to smart home automation. Today we'll be changing an ordinary IKEA bedside lamp into a smart one. Things we'll be needing are a project box, this can be found in most electrical stores, an on-off switch to which we will have to solder some wires, Shelly with Tasmota firmware, and how to do that you can find a link in the top right hand side of this video, two connectors, one for live wires and one for neutral, and a lamp of your choice which you want to make a smart lamp that can be controlled with Apple Home app, a regular switch and a web interface. First thing you have to do is to remove the insulation from the old wires of the lamp. We have to remove the insulation from the wire going into the lamp and from the wire that is near to your power socket. So basically in the 2 points from where you cut previously your on-off switch from the lamp. There is a special tool that can do that, but I didn't have it at that time, so I'm using some pliers. You can use that, but I don't really recommend it, or some scissors or some other weird methods, but you can really use some insulation stripper. Next, what you want to do is basically take those cables and put them through a hole or whatever. I bought some pass-through plastic for this electrical box, so I can really screw those cables really tightly so they don't move. And now you can proceed with removing insulation to the other part of the wire. Okay, great. So when this is done, take the second part of the cable and put it in the electrical box. Remember about that plastic thing to put it through the wire so we can screw it in tightly later. And now it's time to connect everything with vago connectors. So I've created an electrical schematic for you to make things easy, but step one, take a vago connector and connect it with the live wire coming from your power socket. Then take a piece of wire and also insert it to the vago connector and put it in the L terminal of Shelly. Next, take your switch and one end of the cable goes into the vago connector and the second part goes into the SW connector in Shelly. And now take the live wire going to your lamp and connect it to the output, so O connector in Shelly. Okay, great. So last live connection remains. So take a piece of wire and connect it to the vago connector, and from there connect it to the input socket of your Shelly. And thanks to this, we are now done with connecting live wires to our electric box. Now it's time for the neutral wires. So take one coming from your wire coming from your outlet and bridge it with the neutral wire going to your lamp. And then take a piece of wire and insert it to the second vago connector and connect it with Shelly. You have the schematic displayed on the screen, so it's really simple to make. Great, so we are done with all the connections. So now take basically everything and put it inside the box and make everything fit. Remember to tighten those screws holding the live wires to the electrical box, and let's start the configuration part. Okay, so the configuration part. Go to the IP address of a new device in your network, go to Configure, Configure Module, and make sure that Shelly is selected in the module parameters. Then press Save, and after a reboot, everything should be working fine. So clicking toggle should toggle the lamp on. Also switching the physical switch should be possible. So if you don't know how to flash Tasmota, please watch one of my previous videos. And that's it for today. So thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe, because in the next video we will be doing integration of this lamp in Apple Home. Thanks for watching and see you next time.